The people of Jammu and Kashmir were promised a framework which was removed. And I have yet to meet somebody who has been able to justify that beyond the political. I mean, I was told that this was being done for the benefit of Jammu and Kashmir. Please tell me, in the last 2 years, how has Jammu and Kashmir benefited from what was done on the 5th of August? I mean, explain to me, where were we lacking that 5th of August was necessary?
You don't know the answer to
I would love to know. You tell me, because I haven't been able to figure it out.
Because I'll tell you, just the numbers that I read a few days ago, the budget of Jammu and Kashmir is 1 lakh crore people for, 1 lakh crore rupees for how many people? You know the population. That's about 1.5 crore less than that live in Jammu and Kashmir. Do you know the size of the budget of Uttar Pradesh with 25 crore people? It's just about 3 times the size of Jammu and Kashmir when the population is 25 times. I want to ask you, Mr.
So
Omar
what is
Abdullah,
wrong? Jammu and Kashmir is way more developed than Uttar Pradesh.
then why should it get so much money from the taxpayers' kitty?
By all means, take it away.
Then where are the previous governments? And
Why-
you,
okay,
you
I
have
have
been
looked
in
at-
government there. How much
Ma'am,
development was done?
I have no problem. Please take the budget away. Please restore to us the use of our rivers without the Indus Water Treaty. I will be the first person to tell you, take all your money back. I will build hydroelectric projects on those rivers. I will sell that electricity.
You've had so
in the
many
rest of India.
opportunities. I
Where?
never heard you raising
You have-
these issues. Then, when you wanted
I
to
have
do
not
the
talked
governance,
about. I have not talked about the Indus Water Treaty. I talked about it as Chief Minister. That Jammu and Kashmir has to be compensated for the losses of the Indus Water
between the
Treaty.
Congress party, between the Muftis and between the Abdullahs, how many years have you ruled Kashmir? How much has Kashmir developed?
I'm willing to accept that we were all incompetent. Please tell me what has changed in the last 2 years.
So you want 73 years to be undone in 2?
Make a start.
The start hasn't begun.
No,
You
I
can't
mean,
see it.
look,
no, the start hasn't begun. You can't see the start.
Show me the start. Where is the start? Show me one new investment that has come. Show me one positive development that has come. Everything that is being inaugurated right now, from roads to tunnels to powerhouses to hospitals to schools to colleges to universities, were all given in the previous government. Ghulam Nabi Azad, as health minister, gave the medical colleges. Dr. Manmohan Singh gave the central universities. Dr. Manmohan Singh gave the 4-lane highway between Jammu and Srinagar. The tunnel in Banihal, the tunnel in Nashri was started when Dr. Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister. The Zojila tunnel and its the predecessor, the Z-Mode tunnel. Again, I was there when the foundation stone was laid during Dr. Manmohan Singh's government. Let me list out for you what we did, and then you list out what has been done over the last 2 years, and let's see where we are. I'm telling you in terms of numbers. What do you want? I'll tell you here. I have numbers in front of me. We are 3rd in life expectancy compared to the rest of the country. UP is the lowest in the country. Okay? We are 7th in terms of the number of doctors available for the population. 7th in the country we were before 2019. You say we did nothing. I'm willing to accept that. Where did these doctors come from? Here, in poverty, Jammu and Kashmir is amongst the lowest states in the country in terms of poverty. Where did that come from? It's not a gift of the last 2 years. It's the last 70 plus years that you claim had no governance at all. In terms of infant mortality, we are 10th in the country. Again, you don't see that, because all you can see is Article 370 and you believe Jammu and Kashmir has suffered on account of that. In terms of the Human Development Index, we rank higher than your very fancy states like Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. And yet you claim Jammu and Kashmir got nothing, and the Muftis and the Abdullahs and the Congress did nothing. Argue with the numbers and tell me. I'm giving you numbers where Jammu and Kashmir stood with regard to the rest of the country.
So there's no poverty in Jammu and Kashmir.
I am telling you.
There is employment, and there always was employment.
I am telling you.
The youth pick up guns and become terrorists because they have alternative employments. There is separatism. Money used to come in from Pakistan. The children of
fine.
the separatists,
So because
the children of the separatists will study abroad, and they will not allow peace to come into Jammu and Kashmir. And all of those problems were addressed by the Abdullahs, by the Congress, and the Muftis.
No. Now you're changing the goalposts.
Why not?
No, no, what? Now you're changing.
I'm
so
asking
you. So you have no,
no,
answer
Why
to the
should
numbers.
I answer?
Okay,
I'm
one
not the
sec.
government. Why should I answer you in numbers?
Okay,
I'm
so fine.
asking you the problems.
Okay, so let's
which
come
I
back.
see as
Let's
an
come back to
Indian.
the problems.
Yes.
Money from Pakistan. Deal with Pakistan. Why are you punishing the people of Jammu and
And
Kashmir?
who are the people who are allowing this to happen and turning a blind eye? Mr. Omar Abdullah, let's face
One
facts.
minute. Money comes from abroad. Isn't it government of India's responsibility to stop it? Now, you talked about unemployment. Even now, Jammu and Kashmir has less unemployment than other parts of the country. But unemployment remains a problem.
In the whole country.
Unemployment is an offshoot of militancy, but I can quote you numerous examples of youngsters who have left jobs to become militants. So don't believe that just unemployed youngsters picked up the gun or became stone pelters. You have had people who have left.
So we
you
should,
have had people
we
who have
should
left.
allow the youth
No.
of this country to become stone pelters.
No, absolutely.
Is that a vocation?
Absolutely not.
So would you support the government when it says that there should be some sort of a dissuasion and therefore no
Absolutely.
passports and no jobs?
No,
Will you support
because,
that?
Because I have seen exactly how police dossiers can be created to lock up people who yourself you just said it was wrong. If it has happened to me, it can happen to anybody. And I'm sorry. There is a reason, Navika, there is a reason why we have courts.